Hello, today we will guide you through how to generate API key on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to create a new API key so you can securely connect approved apps or tools to your Trading 212 account. We'll keep things simple, move at a steady pace, and share a few best practices to keep your account safe. Start by opening Trading 212 in your web browser. If you aren't already signed in, the site will prompt you to log in. Make sure you're on a trusted device and a secure network before continuing. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that icon to open the main navigation panel. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens the area where you can adjust account preferences and access developer-related features. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled API, which may be marked as beta. That beta label simply indicates the feature is still being refined, but it's available for you to use. Open the API section, then select Generate API Key. Trading 212 will create a new key for you. When the key is displayed, pause for a moment and copy it right away. Most platforms will only show a new key once for security reasons, so it's important to store it immediately. Paste it into a secure location, such as a reputable password manager or an encrypted note. Treat this key like a password. Do not share it. Do not include it in screenshots, and never paste it directly into public code or messages. If you see options to name the key, set permissions, or limit usage, choose clear labels and apply the minimum access required for your specific integration. Restricting what the key can do reduces risk if it's ever exposed. If IP-allow listing is available, consider enabling it to further lock down access. After you've safely stored the key, you're done with creation. If at any point you suspect the key has been compromised or you simply don't need it anymore, return to the same API area in Settings to revoke or delete it, then generate a fresh one if necessary. Keeping your keys tidy and removing unused ones is a great security habit. That's it. You've navigated to Trading 212, opened the menu, entered Settings, selected the API section, and generated your API key. Thanks for following along, and remember to keep that key secure as you connect it to your trusted tools.